Alright, UFO sightings, what is it? Look at this thing. What in the world? It looks like an insect. So that was a cut. There's actually two people that saw this. These guys work at this facility over here. This was taken in Mexico, and they're truck drivers. So they're not revealing, obviously, because they don't want, you know, they don't want any publicity for their work. They're worried about that, and they're definitely scared because they don't know what the heck this thing is over here. I would be scared too. Look at this. I mean, it was just hovering. They got to work. Okay, so they must be dumping something there. You see these tankers down here? Those are the trucks that they drive. Man, I wonder what it is that they're doing. Some kind of chemicals or something. And then is this what happened at, you know, as a side effect? That's purely speculation on our part. But seriously, look at this thing. This has to be one of the weirdest sightings that we have reported, guys. UFO sightings, what is it? Is it even a UFO? It looks static. I mean, it's just moving, hovering in the sky. Jeez. And then here's a different clip. Look at that. It's just, this is creepy. I mean, this is just completely out of control. Here's an extreme close-up. It almost looks like a guy in a spacesuit. No idea on this. This is, I mean, this is just I don't know. I'm rambling. I just don't know what to say. This is, guys, let us know what you think this is. I mean, what is this thing? It's in Mexico, and it's in a plant, and two truck drivers saw it and sent us two clips, and we showed both to you. So, you know, what is going on? I don't know. Look at that. If we could get it, the video was a little bit more to the left, we'd be able to see what company it was on the truck. Oh man. Anyway, guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. This is it, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day. Click subscribe, click the bell notification, click send me all notifications for this channel, and you'll never miss a UFO sighting again. Alright, let's get into our final clip for the day. UFO sightings, Denver, January 2017. We did just receive this clip, but we don't have an exact date on it. We do know that it is fairly recent, so we're just going to go ahead and say January 2017. We know that it happened in this month. So what's going on over here? We have more drone footage. This guy was flying his drone, and they were actually working on a movie project, and apparently they captured this footage. So I mean, what's going on? You know, they just wanted they were doing a movie project / commercial, so they were trying to get some aerial footage for the building that they were filming at, you know, for the commercial, because obviously that, I guess that adds, you know, value when you have this aerial shot, right? And the source saw this, and they started filming it, obviously. And take a look at this. I mean, the building's behind where you see, because they moved closer towards the drone, but this it looks like a suburb area as far as where the drone's over. Apparently this drone can go, you know, over 4 miles away from the source. Excellent footage over here, guys. Very clear. I mean, this thing, you know, there's people down there. Don't know if they saw it. You know, it's up here, and it's kind of off to the side from the road over there, so I could see how they could miss that. I mean, this is just crazy. You can see these cars. I mean, this is just excellent footage, guys. This is like crazy. This just came to us. Here's the extreme close-up. Look at this. It's got a light over here in the bottom. It seems to be made out of metal, and no idea, I mean, what kind of shape is that? I mean, totally organic shape, right? What are your thoughts on this thing? I mean, it's a UFO for sure. There's no fans or blades or anything on it, so we have to rule out a drone, definitely. And the lights on there, and then what? I mean, this thing, I mean, aerodynamically, it doesn't seem like it's a good object, but it seems to be flying just fine. Excellent footage, guys. Excellent footage. Well, anyway, there is the footage. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. We'll be bringing these videos as soon as we get them. And you have a good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Alright, welcome back. Let's take a look at our footage over here. UFO sightings, proof positive. Take a look at this. This thing is it's right in the clouds, and it looks like it comes out. This is some interesting footage. It looks like a bunch of lights around it. Look at that. It's here it is slowed down. Definitely, you know, behind the clouds over there, and starts coming out, it looks like. And apparently the source was just filming some video. He was just trying to get videos of the clouds, and apparently he sells the video on a couple of those stock footage sites. So he was just trying to get some footage of the clouds, and then apparently he just goes to these websites, the stock footage websites, stock videos websites, and then sells the footage. And he accidentally caught this UFO on film while he was filming the stock footage. Look at that. So that's, I mean, that's very interesting. I mean, can you imagine just filming the clouds, and then all of a sudden this UFO pops out from behind the clouds? I mean, definitely a crazy situation over here. This is brand new footage. We received this footage March 26, 2018. Let's take a look at this close-up of this UFO over here. It definitely, he said that it was a really hard time focusing on the UFO. He tried to focus in on it, but I'm not sure how. I guess with his camera he was trying, but he said he just could not. So the clouds look like they were, I don't know, they look like they were in focus. Maybe it's just the object was having a hard time, but excellent footage. This footage was taken over Michigan according to the source, so I'm not sure if he was landing or if he was taking off, but there is the footage. Excellent UFO footage, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. If you like seeing these videos, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Check out the links in the description below. If you like what you see, sign up for our newsletter. It's free, and we'll talk to you soon. Alright, welcome back. Let's take a look at our footage over here. UFO sightings, blue energy. Look at this amazing, clear UFO footage. It's just taken with a brand new iPhone according to the source. Look at that. What, I mean, the energy is coming right out of this thing. This UFO looks like it could possibly be a drone. Excellent footage. Look at that. I mean, it's blue energy, but the energy is being distorted, it looks like, at the bottom. Clearly seems to be how this UFO is staying afloat. First I thought it might be some kind of satellite. It looks like there's some panels on it, but this is some interesting footage. Some of the clearest footage we've gotten in a long time on this channel too. Look at that. Just amazing. This is brand new footage. It comes to us on April 9th, 2018. Here's a close-up of it. Look at that. I mean, this it's definitely reflecting. You can see the clouds at the bottom right over there. And look at this energy. It looks like multiple streams of energy are coming out of the bottom of it. This is just incredible UFO footage. I mean, once again, brand new footage. You can tell it's taken with a brand new iPhone. Definitely, you know, clear footage over here. The question is, what is going on? What is this thing, right? Is this some kind of man-made object? And if it is, look at that energy coming right out of the bottom. Or is this an alien craft? UFO for sure, right? Unidentified flying object. And this particular footage was taken over in North Carolina. according to the source. And once again, brand new footage, April 9th, 2018. Just incredible. Look at that. Just clear UFO footage. There's the footage, ladies and gentlemen. If you like seeing these videos, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. If you have any information on this UFO, please leave it down in the comments. Check out the links in the description. We have a link to our newsletter. It's free to sign up. That being said, have a good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Click subscribe. Click the bell notification. Click send me all notifications for this channel, and you'll never miss a UFO sighting again.
We're on our way home. It's been a while, but we're finally here.